All right, Finbold has a new article out, top 5 cryptos to buy under 10 cents next week. Now, I want to kind of expand upon this and say there are 5 cryptos to potentially get into that are under 10 cents right now ahead of the next bull run, right? Finbold kind of taking more of a trading approach with this article, kind of projecting that these could, pop here in the short term. So maybe something to look at for that as well. Again, this is Finbold putting out the article. I just wanted to kind of cover it, give you guys some things to think about. As always, do your own homework, do your own due diligence. I'm just here to bring you up to speed on interesting news and insights, all the breaking news. I've got you covered. So if you want that content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the smash button for us down below. All right, so let's take a look. Number 1 is Stellar, XLM, which, of course, actually has had a nice performance this year. It's one of the top 10 cryptos by monthly returns in 2022 with a year-to-date surge of around 35%. That has trickled in a little bit into 2023. At press time, Stellar was trading at around just under 10 cents, and it's down a little bit. The crypto fell around 11% on the weekly chart, but it remains up 7% on the month. XLM Stellar tied into XRP, of course. One factor contributing to XLM's price surge this year is Stellar's collaboration with Coinbase. So since June, the crypto exchange fully supports deposits and withdrawals of the USDC stablecoin via the Stellar blockchain. That was a huge, huge collaboration there. Now, in addition to this, Stellar also recently announced its integration with MoneyGram, allowing users to directly deposit or withdraw cash from their digital wallets via USDC on the Stellar network. Number 2, another crypto that's had some Coinbase news as of late is VeChain. VeChain is a blockchain-powered platform, of course, offering a ton of different solutions in the supply chain world. And at the time of the recording here, VET was trading at around 2 cents. Keep in mind, VET's all-time high is near 27 cents. So you're looking at a great potential return here back to all-time highs when we do see altcoins move. VeChain down slightly a little bit here. On the monthly chart, it did gain roughly 20% since the start of the year, though a lot of that coming on the heels of that new listing on Coinbase. So it's certainly one to keep an eye on here. And there's been times where there's been a lot of volume coming to VeChain kind of out of nowhere, right? And it's a lot of times when they drop some news, so keep that on your radar. How about Terra Luna Classic? Of course, this week, some members of the LUNC community proposed to make Binance CEO Zhao a leader of the Terra blockchain to speed up developing activity and make Luna rise again. We'll see if that actually comes to fruition. But in order to get this thing through, the group required a Q3 budget of $116,000, pledging to fulfill their responsibilities if the proposal were to gain any steam. Terra Luna Classic, it's right now sitting at 4080, and it's had some impressive surges here throughout 2023. And just maybe Finbold's correct, maybe we're getting ready and gearing up for the next surge. How about Caspa? This is a blockchain. It's a decentralized scalable protocol designed to address the limitations of the existing blockchain networks by offering high throughput, low fees, and increased scalability. Right now sitting at about 2 cents like VeChain, and it is down a little bit on the weekly chart, 17%. So I like what Finbold's thinking here. They're kind of looking at some things that sold off a little bit more than others and potential opportunities here for traders in the short term. But I would say all of these so far that I've listed, by the way, we've got one more. These are good things to just kind of dive into, do your research, look into these with your own set of eyes. And, a lot of these cryptos out here, there's so many, it's tough to really stay locked in, right? And know what's going on with all of them. But if you do a little bit a day, that's what I try to do, you do have, a lot more knowledge than most. So number 5, last one here, is XDC. We actually talked about this in a video yesterday. This is very tied into Bitcoin Cash, okay? XDC recently teamed up with SBI's group subsidiary in Japan to provide services to customers of the banking powerhouse. At press time, XDC was trading at around 3 cents, and this crypto coin slipped around 6% in the past month, but still is up 27% in 2023. So when you zoom out a little bit, and we could see XDC, it's actually a top 100 still. Not a lot of people talk about this one. Rank number 84, and again, This one, as you can see here, Protocol's open source software uses a delegated proof of stake consensus mechanism, which facilitates quick transactions. The big thing with blockchains today is interoperability. It has that and security as well. So take a look at all 5 of these. Finbold likes these ones as we head into next week. We'll see what happens. See ya.